You can get out. You can f*** off. I have a child under 3. You are a baby. Still through the door. You are in huge trouble. I have a almost 50,000 TikTok following.
You're staying on the ground.
I hope you enjoy beating up little women.
On June 20th, 2023, officers responded to a residence following a report of a petty domestic dispute between a man and his wife. When officers arrived, the woman became aggressive while holding her child, leading to her being detained.
In my other half.
All right, in what way?
She wants me out of the house because my kids were helping me do dishes. I mean, it's just a mess of crap. I mean, my license, it went out of date, and she's mad that I can't get that anymore, and I've offered to pay for her own, and she's mad that I won't do it, and this is what kind of started the whole thing. But anyway, doing dishes, and she left this morning. I went to, kids went and got feed at the feed store. I left the whole morning, and I came back, and she's in her, on bed with her phone, doing whatever. And I had kids doing dishes while I'm making them grilled cheese sandwiches, and she got mad and yelled and told them to leave. And then I told her I needed the dishes because macaroni and cheese next, so I could feed them later that. And then from there, I get kicked out, and we're having an argument.
Stay over here for me, please. Ma'am, are you the other half of this?
Yes.
All right, if you would stay up there, I don't need y'all around each other right now.
Well, you can f*** off. Here's your clothes. You can get out. You can f*** off. I did not call you. You're on my property. I know my rights. I have a child under 3. You will go. You will get charged.
You need to relax.
No.
Man. No, ma'am. Stand over here and talk with me. What is your problem? This is not going to work.
I know my rights.
So do I, ma'am.
Stay away from me.
I'm out here for a reason.
And I did not call. Stay out of my house.
Put your hands up.
I'm holding a baby.
No, I mean, do you understand?
I did not hurt the door. He's still through the door, Chandler.
Stop. Baby.
Baby.
Now come over here.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No. I'm in my house.
You're getting.
Get it.
This is where the situation takes a serious turn. The deputy is trying to secure her hands while she continues arguing about her rights and why police are inside the home. But once physical resistance begins, the officers have to prioritize control and safety. What would you have done here?
I did not call you.
Under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I did not call you. I know my rights.
You don't strike me. Do you understand?
You were coming into my house.
I'm here for a reason.
You're not allowed in my house.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes,
you have a warrant?
I don't need a
warrant. Let go.
Ma'am, you're going to stop right fucking now. You understand? Now quit it. Roll over on your stomach now. Now. Put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, I really don't want to hurt you. I'm trying to be as nice as I can.
I did not call you.
It doesn't matter.
I did not invite you into my house. I was in the middle of something. You got in the middle of that. You could have waited.
No,
and I would have come back out and talked to you. I would
He's
have grabbed my
not
phone. I know my rights. I want a supervisor out here now.
He's on his way right now. It's no issue.
Then leave me alone.
You're still getting cuffed. Yes, ma'am. You're getting cuffed.
No, I'm fine. You can leave me alone. I will wait for your supervisor.
Roll over. Put your other hand behind your back. Do you understand me? Now.
I'm waiting for your supervisor. Get off of me!
No, ma'am.
Get off of me!
It's not going to work that way. Put your other hand behind your back.
You kind of got me on it. I can't. There you go.
Stay still.
You're in trouble. You just harmed my baby, coming into my house uninvited. Yes, you did. You shoved her into the door.
I shoved you into the door.
And I was holding my child. You are in huge trouble. I have a almost 50,000 TikTok following. This is going right on there. You tried to come into my house and you harmed my child.
Come on.
I'm going to stand right here for your supervisor. I'm not getting in your vehicle. I'm not getting
in the vehicle.
Ouch!
Do you understand me?
Son of a...
Stop resisting.
No! I'm not resisting. I said I would wait here.
You need to calm down. This is absolutely insane.
This is my house. I want a supervisor here now.
That's fine. He's right down the road. Right down the road coming up here.
Ants down here. I'm not staying down here.
You're staying on the ground. I'm not asking. I'm telling.
Ants down here.
I don't care.
I don't want to be on the ants.
Get in my car.
I don't want to be on your car. I want to stand on my own feet.
Go ahead.
You get a power trip out of this? Beating up a little
They want to be out here.
You got a power trip out of this? Fucking turning you on, beating me up? You're fucking disgusting.
Okay.
Pervert. I hope you enjoy beating up little women. I hope
I don't
you
want to be
enjoy
out
that.
here. I didn't want to deal with you at all.
You're fucking disgusting.
You brought this.
Nasty.
Okay.
Vile
Still
human
going to
piece
jail.
of trash on a power trip.
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
You fucking are against your... I know my rights. You infringed on my personal rights
How?
trying to go inside my house.
I have a reason to be
You
here.
had no reason to detain me.
I gave you a lawful
You
order.
had no
Yes, I
reason
did.
to detain me.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
What?
I'm here for a call for
Domestic
service.
dispute?
Yes.
That's not a reason to detain me.
Yes, it is.
I did not commit a crime. A domestic dispute is not a crime. So that's why I know that you're in trouble.
Resisting with battery on Leah.
No.
Yes.
I came out to bring my husband his bag of clothes so he could leave. He grabbed my arm and told me to stop.
I told you to
him I was
stop and
heading
not
back
go
into
near
my
him.
house to grab my phone so I could record this. He followed me into my house, came into my house, shoved me and my child into the door while threatening to tase us. That is against my rights. I was not being detained for a crime. A domestic dispute is not a crime. I want his badge number. I want his name.
You'll get it. Come on. Sit up.
I have handcuffs.
Sit up.
on.
Alright, sit up.
Everything's videoed and recorded.
My glasses are on the porch. You knocked them off.
It's fine. We'll stay up there. Get it in.
We have been here multiple
I
times.
know. We're looking for your dad, buddy.
Oh,
Hey, Paul. Sheriff's office.
it was only me, him, and the baby, and my dad and my mom.
What's up, guys? What's been going on?
My mom was freaking out at my dad.
What were they arguing about? Nothing?
Me and him were putting the dishes away, and my mom was getting angry.
Right, because you're putting dishes up or doing it the way she wanted. Turn that down for me, would you? They start arguing about you guys? Something simple?
Yeah.
Okay.
My mom was mad because we were putting dishes away, and she was in her room in bed sleeping.
Oh, so she heard the noises.
Is she on something today, man?
I have no idea. I've been gone all morning because we got into it this morning, so I left with the kids because she was just like you seen her, so I left. And I took the kids to go get feed, and this is the stuff we're donating.
Does she take medication?
She has been to Meridian before, and she does go see the doctor, but I'm not in the loop on what she does. But you guys are okay?
Yeah.
Okay. On and off, it's, bright and sunny, bright and sunny, bright and sunny, and then there's a bad day, and then I just try to, leave, take the kids and leave and do what I can, and
She flipped out for sure.
there's a firearm in the house, so it's in the closet in a bag hanging up.
Thank you for telling me,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Has she ever been violent like this before?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, I did ask you a minute ago, are you married or is that your girlfriend? I'm sorry, I probably
we're
didn't
not
hear you.
married. It's common law. We've been together a long time.
Okay, all right. So, you're
on
the
the-
father of the children?
I'm the father of the children. Two of them have my last name. One of them doesn't.
Okay.
One of them has her last name. My oldest has her last name. The two youngest have my last name.
I've been here before a couple times about custody and things and everything else.
I know. I've seen you.
Yes, yeah, we've been here.
Has she been violent in the past?
Yes,
Yes, you can be.
she can be. I mean, it's.
Oh, well, I saw that today.
One thing I want you to do for me is you're staying, right? Here with your children?
I live here. Yeah, I'm staying.
Okay.
I mean, all my
Get rid of
stuff's
the
here.
dope stuff. I don't know whose it is, the weed and...
Well, the weed. It was mine. I had a pot license and all that stuff, but yeah.
I'm not, just so the
Okay.
kids were looking at picking up all that.
Right.
All right, appreciate it.
I said, oh, just 2 seconds. I'm grabbing the last few dishes, and she's pushing me out of the room, and then it just manifested into the kitchen that I don't do anything that she asks me to do. And at that point, she started getting physical a little bit, and I got on the phone and called you guys. Told you I needed a deputy out here, and then I got pushed out the door. And
So there was physical earlier and this time here?
earlier today, no,
Yeah, okay.
just this last time. Yeah.
Okay.
Earlier
So
this
when you
morning,
call the sheriff's office,
when I called the sheriff's department, it had started to get physical. So
Okay.
then I called.
what did she do?
Just pushing.
Okay. Can you
Push.
provide a sworn statement based on what you're telling me?
Sure.
Okay. How did she push you?
Just pushing
hands.
and pushing, and
Can she continue pushing you out?
yeah,
the door?
until I got the door. I held onto the door for a second and then spun around her so I could grab my cell phone, so I could finish going out, because that's what I wanted to get my phone so I could exit and leave. And then once I had got the phone, it kind of stood between me and the door, and then she did let me out.
All right, this is a domestic packet, all right? And if you sign this, it's just a receipt that you got it. You have to have these. This is part of our thing, and I'll read it all to you. This is a victim's rights brochure. This is going to be your case number. This is
By the end, investigators have gathered statements about the alleged battery and the events involving the child. She ultimately faces charges for battery, resisting arrest, and child neglect. The footage shows how quickly a domestic dispute can escalate. Do you think officers handled this correctly? Like, comment, and subscribe for more Bodycam breakdowns.
Explains what a victim is, about criminal process. These are things we give everybody, your rights. And if you want to go up, pursue this anymore, like get an injunction, if you don't make up and all.
All right, what is my statute of limitations on it?
That I couldn't tell. You could call up and find out.
Okay.
Do you have any questions, concerns, comments? She's have to see the judge.
She's still here?
No, she's gone. Yeah.
All right, so she's
till tomorrow.